One of the great parallel wire workers, former world
Hika.
medalist on this apparatus.
Show Daddy how you hika. Oh? Oh?